guys, today this is a very different build to usual. Philip, the customer, came into us and he said he got a couple of things with the build that he wanted to get nailed, a few different styles as well, and a lot of electrics because of certain things that he needs sorting out. So we decided to build this exactly as per his instructions. I'm really happy with how this build came out because it's just like very practical. It's got everything you need to be able to use as a camper van, but it also retains the seats as a combi, so you can still travel with 5 people in total here. He's got his own storage and bed system in the back as well, and we've done something a little bit different with, like, we've got some speakers going on, we've got curtains, we've got the full van carpet, we've got some kind of custom table as well fitted. We've also two-toned the carpet and the roof area, which is the first time we've done this well, it's not the first time we've ever done it, but it's a long time since we've done it. It's been about at least 2 years or so since we've done the two-tone. So he's gone for the silver carpet in the top, and he's gone for the smoke carpet on the main body of the vehicle. So we've got a heater fitted as well, and we've got a 3000 watt Renogy inverter fitted, and we've made all of this work without taking up any of this space in terms of his combi, in terms of the main payload area. So that's been a bit of a challenge because of all the wiring that we've had to do. We've also done a brand new floor as well because he wanted to get rid of the combi rubber flooring. So he's gone for a ply floor with an Alsho covering, and it looks really good. Nightfall colour, one of my favourite colours to be honest. So let's show you around the van and show you exactly what we've done in a bit more detail.